Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we have this glowy everyday makeup look that I've been doing lately. So to start off, I'm using this eyebrow palette. So this, I believe, was in the shade Auburn. I picked up this palette from Burlington. It was very affordable. Now for this, you can just use any brow powder if you want to recreate this look. And then I'm going in with the e.l.f. Brow Lift. And I love this stuff so much because it keeps your brow hairs up in place. And it just looks, I mean, depending, it was a learning curve with this because sometimes my brows would fall before the end of the day. But you kind of got to work with the product. I mean, it's so affordable, but it's really good. And I do really, really enjoy it. So next we're going in with eyeliner. I have this black eyeliner by Revlon and I'm just doing a wing here, as you can see. And then I'm gonna go in with a Q-tip and clean it up, just like so. Then we're going in with the Suntouchable Whoa Glow by e.l.f. This is so good. This is going to be like my staple for summer. I'm not going to lie, I do not wear SPF every day, but now, you know, the older I get, the importance I'm seeing with it. So then I'm going in with my foundation. And for foundation, you can use any foundation that you're currently is your favorite foundation or that you want to try out or anything like that. Most foundations I find work with this primer. I moisturize usually a few minutes before I do apply the primer, making sure there's no pilling or anything like that. And then I just apply my favorite foundation. So here I'm going in with my contour by Wet n Wild. I believe the shade is Oaks on You. It's a lighter shade for me and I really like it because I feel like it's more natural. So I've really been enjoying this bronzer lately for contour. So next I'm going to start contouring my nose and I'll be using this brush from Real Techniques and the same contour stick I used for my face, the Wet n Wild. And then I'm just gonna put a line on the side, each sides of my nose as usual. And then I'll go in with a sponge and blend that in, as you're about to see. And I try to just make it look as, you know, as natural as possible. I try not to make the lines look too pronounced. Then I'm going in with my Patrick Ta palette. And I'm putting on this cream blush first, the shade I showed you. And this is the second palette. So pretty. Then I'm going in with some concealer. And this is a very hydrating concealer because I do have dry under eyes. Like my skin type is combination, oily, but I love hydrating products. And then I'm going in with this Brightening Banana Powder by Essence. And I'm just setting the under eyes like so. And now we're going to go in with this e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder and just set the whole face. This powder is so pretty. It leaves your face still looking glowy. And then we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Setting Mist Powder, Micro Mist Setting Powder. This, I mean, oh my goodness. Micro Mist Setting Spray. Okay, let's just move on. Now we're going into bronzer. This bronzer is by Milani. And I really do love this bronzer, and I believe it's in the shade Suntan. So I just used that to powder contour, and then I went back in the Patrick Ta blush and added the powder blush that was correlating to the cream blush. Next we have this highlighter. Yes, I love it. And that was by LA Colors. And then we're gonna go in with the setting spray again and set our face for one last time. And then we're just gonna, you know, melt everything in together with this beauty sponge, and you're gonna see how glowy it leaves your face. It just looks so pretty, so natural. Well, not natural, you know you have makeup on, but like just, it's glowy, it's beautiful, it's everything. Then I'm just gonna go in with this brown lip liner. And next I'll go in with this MAC lipstick, which I believe was in the shade Myth. One of my all-time favorite lipsticks from MAC. I love this color. When I want like an almost nothing on my lips type of look. And then I went in with this It Cosmetics mascara because I almost forgot to put mascara on. And just added some to my lashes. And lately I've been loving putting mascara with no eyelash color. I feel like I get a better lift that way. So yeah, and that's it for today's look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. Please share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. It's the easy way and free way to support me. Bye.